Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. VanEck predicts Q1 2025 crypto correction before Q4 all-time highs. Next, market structure bill on agenda in first 100 days, says Representative French Hill. Also, Texas lawmaker introduces bill that would establish Bitcoin reserve within the state treasury. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, VanEck predicts Q1 2025 crypto correction before Q4 all-time highs. Bitcoin could reach $180,000 by the end of 2025, the asset manager said. VanEck expects the cryptocurrency bull market to hit a medium-term peak in the first quarter of 2025 before surging to all-time highs by the end of the year, the asset manager said in a December 13th blog post. At the cycle's apex, we project Bitcoin to be valued at around $180,000, with Ethereum trading above $6,000, VanEck said in a blog post authored by head of digital asset research, Matthew Siegel. Other prominent projects such as Solana and Sui could exceed $500 and $10 respectively, the post said. Before reaching these highs, VanEck expects to see a 30% retracement in BTC, with altcoins facing sharper declines of up to 60% as the market consolidates during the summer. Alternative cryptocurrencies, or altcoins, referred to digital assets besides Bitcoin. Sustained funding rates above 10% on BTC perpetual futures exchanges would indicate speculative excess, suggesting the crypto market has reached a local top, VanEck said. In July and September, VanEck's Siegel said he expects BTC to reach as high as $2.9 million per coin by 2050 and Ether to rise by as high as $22,000 per token by 2030. 2025 market drivers. Other analysts see events unfolding similarly. According to Ryan Lee, chief analyst at BitGet Research, BTC's price could sink by 30% before resuming its bullish run. Historical data trends show that Bitcoin may still correct as much as 30% before it reaches its cyclical top, the analyst told Cointelegraph on November 27th. This is partly because United States markets generally correct after presidential inaugurations. President-elect Donald Trump will take office on January 20th, 2025. VanEck also predicts that in 2025, the U.S. will adopt a Bitcoin strategic reserve and that regulators will approve more crypto exchange-traded funds, hastening institutional crypto adoption. With the new SEC leadership, multiple new spot crypto ETPs will be approved. Ethereum ETPs will include staking, while both Ethereum and Bitcoin ETPs will allow in-kind transactions and redemptions, VanEck said. On December 12th, Sygnum Bank, a crypto-focused asset manager, said institutional adoption could trigger demand shocks next year, causing BTC's spot price to spike. Meanwhile, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, said up to 2% portfolio allocation is reasonable for investors who wish to hold BTC. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, Market Structure Bill on Agenda in First 100 Days, says Representative French Hill. The FIT21 Market Structure Bill passed the House of Representatives in May 2024 with bipartisan support by a 278 to 136 margin. United States Representative French Hill recently appeared on CNBC and said that the U.S. desperately needs a crypto market structure bill, which he described as a top priority for the Republican Party. According to Representative Hill, GOP Majority Leader Steve Scalise aims to introduce a comprehensive crypto market structure bill within the first 100 days of the upcoming legislative session. Hill also criticized the current regulatory approach under Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler. "We don't have rules of the road under Chairman Gensler. We had just regulation by enforcement. This is not helping America succeed, not helping technological advance, innovation for Web3, or the use of blockchain both in publicly traded companies and in financial services. The approval of a market structure bill should help lift the regulatory uncertainty that has hung over the U.S. crypto industry for years. Proponents of such bills say that pro-crypto legislation could pave the way for the U.S. to foster digital asset innovation and prevent crypto firms from offshoring. U.S. crypto industry optimistic about regulatory future. The sweeping electoral victory of the Republican Party in November and the upcoming resignation of Gensler from the SEC have many industry executives optimistic about the future of digital asset regulations in the U.S. In May, Congress passed the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, or FIT21. The market structure bill outlined a comprehensive regulatory framework for digital assets. However, the bill was halted in the Senate and was never passed into law. Nestled within the FIT21 legislation was a provision to regulate digital assets under either the SEC or the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, depending on the specific digital assets level of decentralization. President-elect Donald Trump is reportedly considering handing the CFTC oversight over crypto during his upcoming term, which would also classify most crypto projects as commodities if they meet certain criteria. Trump also nominated pro-crypto Paul Atkins to replace Gensler as SEC chair and cited Atkinson's role as co-chairman of the Digital Chambers Token Alliance as one of the reasons for the nomination. Our next top headline: Texas lawmaker introduces bill that would establish Bitcoin reserve within the state treasury. A member of the Texas House of Representatives just proposed a new legislation that will enable the Lone Star State to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve within its treasury. Republican State Representative Giovanni Capriglione filed the Texas Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Act on Thursday. The bill says the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve aligns with the state's commitment to fostering innovation in digital assets and enhancing financial security as the flagship cryptocurrency can serve as a hedge against inflation and economic volatility. If approved, the proposed law will allow Texas residents to voluntarily contribute to the reserve gifts, grants, donations, bequests, or devices in BTC. Bitcoin that enters the state's custody needs to be stored for a minimum of 5 years before the asset may be transferred, sold, or converted to another crypto asset. This fund allows the state to own Bitcoin as a financial asset and for Texans to voluntarily donate Bitcoin to promote a shared ownership and community investment in Texas's financial future. Says Dennis Porter, the CEO and co-founder of crypto-focused nonprofit Satoshi Action Fund, "I can confirm that the state of Texas has filed a bill to officially establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve. History was made as this was the first time a bill was filed live on X Spaces. Congrats to @VoteGiovanni for his leadership on Bitcoin." So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.